And farmers out there, welcome back. So this is just a short video to show you guys intercropping in practice. So in this farm, as you can see, the egusi has been intercropped with maize and even okra. So intercropping is a practice that enables those of anybody in fact to grow as much as possible, especially somebody that doesn't have a whole lot of space. And in this economy, you want to maximize whatever little space you have. So you can see the idea. This is the egusi, it spreads on the ground, but the corn grows upright and grows quite tall. So you can see that they don't interfere with each other. This is the egusi. You can see it is of the melon family. So you can see it has all their attributes, the way they spread on the ground. The same with the okra. It also grows tall, but much taller than the corn. So each one has its own space to grow in the end. From this small garden, you'll be able to harvest different types of crops, and the pests that affect them are all different.